Element has a lot more timing options for cues than just a top-level cue time. We can apply timing to individual channels, categories, or parameters. Let's take a look at some of these discrete timing options. Let's turn on group 12 to full. Notice that they're in their home position. We're going to record this as cue 7. For our next cue, we want those fixtures to be in focus palette 2. I'm going to get my ML controls. Say focus palette 2, enter. I'm going to press displays to get back to my CIA. We're going to record this as cue 8. Now I want to select last and say pan, which I find in my CIA tiles. Delay 6, enter. Those little red T's are back, so we need to store that information using update, enter. Now let's back up a cue and see how that works. Again, on our focus column this time, you can see the little plus sign next to our timing, indicating that discrete timing has been applied. When we press go, you'll see that our tilt parameter is behaving normally because it doesn't have a delay on it. And then our pan parameter, after its 6-second delay, fades into place. Let's look at one more example. Group 12, enter. We're going to put that into focus palette 4 now. And I want my zoom to be set to the max. So using ML controls, I'll find zoom and click max. And now I want my zoom time to be 8. So to do that, I'm going to say clear, select last. I can click the button above the zoom fader on ML controls to get the word zoom on the command line. Time 8, enter. And I'm going to record all of this, which will include the focus information, the zoom information, and our timing into a new cue. Record cue 9, enter. Let's back up and see how that works. When we press go, the fixtures are moving in the time of 5, but their zoom is changing in the time of 8. So everything begins at the same time, but the zoom just takes a little bit longer to complete.